Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about USDX. It's 8:05 and 8:30 we have NFP. So that NFP is probably going to move this US dollar index big time, and all the other USD pairs, 7 of them, going to move. 4 will go up or down, and 3 will go in the opposite direction. So let's see. This is a monthly chart. By the way, this is the 8-hour chart that I made earlier, and then gave it to my subscriber. And here's the one I made it yesterday. So this wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 have this 3 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this makes the wave 3. First, I thought maybe this is wave 3 ending here, and then we're gonna be going to the upside for wave 4. This one, right? But it dropped here, making this one wave 5, and this is wave 4 of wave 3. So this is whole wave 3 black count, and now if we can hold above 1195, now you can see here we are just around that, just struggling to go up. NFP, everybody's waiting, and let's see. But if I'm right, this is wave 3 ending here, then we're going to be going ABC fashion to wave 4 up here somewhere. 38% is coming right there, right? And we also have this level here, 1827 and 2000, 2001. But I think 1827 would be the target to the upside if you go. Now, this is on the 80-minute chart. It's as good as my daily chart, but let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. This is what the 4-hour chart is. This is showing exactly the same thing. It's like wave 1, 2, and this whole wave 3. Then it is A, B, C, 4. You can say that, and then wave 5. Oh, this is wave 4 and wave 5. So if this is wave 1, 2, and this is wave 3 ending here, wave 3 could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is 5. So either way I see is like 1, 2, and then wave 3 ending here. And if it is wave 3 and then ABC 4 and 5, then still for wave A, we have to go back to the last wave 4, which is this one. Or if it is wave 3, then we have to go for A, B, C fashion in the vicinity of the last wave 4, which is this. So either way, we need to go up to this, right? The only danger is that if the news comes out pretty good, bad, right? If the news comes out bad, it's going to drop to 1026, which is this area, 1026. Whoops, 1026 is not too far. But the idea is what I'm concerned about, that if it drops here, then it's not going to stop here. I mean, if NFP is making it to drop, then it's going to drop more, maybe, right? So then, it's a problem here because we're already, going down here. And this is how the monthly chart looks like. So 1026 is right there. If the numbers are very bad, then we're probably going to be going all the way down here, like today and then the next week. But it is very hard. My first preference is that we're going to make the turn right where we are now, or maybe dip a little bit first, 1026, and then reverse. So let's see what happens. On the weekly chart, this is how it looks like. It's a big drop, and by the way, I predicted that it's going to drop from here, right? Exactly here. I have a chart, and I post on the several videos. The last USD video, I posted that chart. So I said we're going to drop to 1753, but we came down here, we broke below it, we went up, we tested it, and then coming down to this rising TL and then horizontal level 1026. If the numbers, let's say, are very good, and it comes out good, it will make the turn right from where it is now, based on this 1195 number here, which is I have this 1195 here. And if you look at it, this is also a extension of 127. You see this? Usually it turns from the extension either 127 or 161. So 161 is coming to exactly 1026. right? So if we drop, we're gonna drop to this 126 extension level, which is also a 1026 big high, monthly high. And let me just mark that. Where the heck is, okay, I don't have it written here. So this is monthly high of 1046, and which is here. Okay, so now this is 1026, and I'm gonna take these couple of levels out of here because I don't like this cluster. So most numbers, boom, 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 out. 120, 161, 127. I'll leave them there, and then the rest of the numbers are also gone, right? So now you can see right now it is at 127 extension and can make the turn. And if not, then NFP will make it to the downside, and then 126 and 1026 and 161%, and then make the turn, right? So let me just get my fib back, and now I have it back, and let me delete it. So this is the chart, very, very important to look at it. Yeah, okay. So now if this happens, what will happen? This will get strong, right? The USD will get strong, sending these 4 pairs down and these 3 pairs up. All right. So be ready, get ready, and we're gonna have fun now after NFP. So let's see what happened if I'm right. I'm ready. So here we go. Okay, 2nd December today, and then. All right, so I'm gonna save this chart as a record, and gonna be ready. Okay, December 2nd, I will make it December 2nd before wave A of 4. All right, that's what it is. Okay, so I saved it, and no, say I'm gonna save the template as well. USDX 80, and it will come up F4 2nd before A of F4. Yes, okay. Save. So template is also saved, and I'm gonna save the profile as well. Save profile as, so that whatever the work you do, you don't want to lose it, because it just disappears if you don't save the profile. So I save the profile as well. So I'm good to go. I'm gonna, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna close the recording, stop recording.